Here is the typography idea you can add in your image. Let's get started. First I am taking an image. You can choose any of your. Then I put my text. I choose this font. This is a Babus font. Then I go to my layer and go to convert to shape. Okay. After converting to shape, I press Ctrl T. Then warp option. Then align a text with your image. You can align according to your satisfaction. After putting text in your image, then hide your text layer and go to your image and then mask it. Okay. After masking your image, then press Ctrl B and remember that your foreground color is white. This is how you can create your typography image. I hope you like it.